Hello, and welcome back to Naturalhub channel dedicated to exploring natural remedies and holistic health practices. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Wereke and uncovering its numerous health benefits. If you're curious about this lesser-known herb and its potential impact on your well-being, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. What exactly is Wereke? Also known as Ibervillea sonori, Wereke is a perennial vine native to the Sonoran Desert in Mexico. It belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family, which includes plants like cucumbers and pumpkins. Despite its humble origins, Wereke packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. One of the most well-known benefits of Wereke is its potential to support diabetes management. Research has shown that Wereke contains compounds like carantan and memorticin, which mimic the action of insulin in the body. This can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable natural remedy for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. But Wereke's benefits don't stop there. This versatile herb also possesses impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a common underlying factor in various health conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. Wereke contains bioactive compounds such as cucurbitacins and triterpenoids, which have been shown to inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body. By reducing inflammation, Wereke may help alleviate pain, swelling, and stiffness associated with conditions like arthritis, making it a natural alternative to conventional anti-inflammatory medications. Incorporating Wereke into your daily routine is easy and enjoyable. You can make a simple Wereke infusion by steeping fresh Wereke leaves in hot water for several minutes. This herbal tea not only offers health benefits, but also provides a refreshing and nourishing beverage. Beyond diabetes management and inflammation reduction, Wereke is also believed to have antimicrobial properties. Studies suggest that Wereke extracts may exhibit antibacterial and antifungal effects, which could be beneficial in supporting immune health and fighting off infections. Additionally, Wereke has been traditionally used to support digestive health. It's believed to aid in digestion, relieve gastrointestinal discomfort, and promote a healthy gut environment. This makes Wereke a valuable herb for those looking to optimize their digestive wellness. As you can see, Wereke offers a wide range of health benefits from supporting blood sugar control to reducing inflammation and promoting immune and digestive health. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating new herbs or supplements into your routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. That concludes our in-depth exploration of Wereke and its health benefits. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on natural remedies and holistic health practices. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and well.